Hello and welcome to Prime News. First a look at the headlines. BJP-MGP alliance still in question. MGP wants 19 seats. BJP says 19 not feasible. Alliance issue to be sorted out by Wednesday. Congress backs out from ZP polls after NCP says it is protest against government for conducting ZP polls on party lines to support independent candidates. Action against Michael Lobo if found guilty in structure demolition case. Lobo begins protest against drugs and prostitution in Kalangut. Main accused in Kepe Urban Cooperative Credit Society gold loan scam. Datta Shirodkar surrenders before Ponda police. Allegation of fake certification. And popular jetty at Kala Academy demolished. GSIDC plans to construct new concrete jetty. And now the news in detail. BJP-MGP alliance tangle is still unresolved. MGP wants 19 seats while BJP is not ready to adhere to this demand. Interestingly, both the parties have not yet convened a single meeting on alliance till now. Right now, Congress, NCP and independents are in a bid of forming a grand alliance. Looking at BJP-MGP tug of war over seat sharing, ZP polls might prove to be a rehearsal for assembly election.
MGP has asked for 19 seats, but BJP isn't ready. State spokesperson Wilfred Mesquita said this in the presser. He claimed that discussion is going on between both the parties about alliance.
They have been meeting, and I think by today is Monday. By Wednesday or Thursday, it should be finalized. Seat is the issue. Otherwise, there is no issue, ideological issue. Magla tane 19 magille no. Na adun palta no talks. Varo pachana, deu pachasa.
However, MGP sources claim that MGP and BJP have not yet had a single meeting on alliance. Mesquita says everything will be clear by Tuesday, Wednesday. On the other side, independent candidates have come together to ensure BJP's defeat. Many claim that it will be a mega alliance between Congress, NCP and independents. Considering all these factors, it seems ZP polls might turn out to be a semi-final of the upcoming assembly poll. Bureau Report, Prudent.
After NCP, Congress too have backed out from contesting Zilla Panchayat election. Both the parties have withdrawn as protest against government for conducting ZP polls on party lines. Sources claim that Congress-supported candidates will contest ZP polls as independent candidates. GPCC executive meet on Monday decided against contesting the ZP poll on party lines.
The party has resolved that we will support public sentiment in letter and spirit on this issue of ZP election, and we will oppose BJP government's decision to hold Zilla Panchayat elections on party lines. Nobody is boycotting and nobody is running away.
Congress and NCP has backed out from ZP polls. BJP says people will soon forget both the parties.
It's a big disservice they are doing to the supporters of Congress. Forget about the voters. At least now they are an opportunity to remind people the hand symbol of the Congress. Because if they continue like this, not contesting, they will ending up not contesting to the 2017 election also.
ZP polls will be held on 18 March. NCP has already withdrawn from ZP polls. Now Congress too is on the same path. On the other side, independent MLAs are grouping to ensure defeat of BJP-supported ZP candidates. Whether the government's decision of contesting ZP polls on party lines will benefit the party in power or will backfire, the ZP poll results will say it all. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If MLA Michael Lobo is guilty in Sheikh demolition row, then party will take action against him. BJP said on Monday, Michael Lobo staged a day-long hunger strike against rising drugs and prostitution. BJP maintained that Lobo should have spoken to CM first. Congress says one who inaugurated dance bar is now raising it down as he is scared of losing his PDA chairmanship. Michael is alleged of demolishing 4 dance bars in Kalangut. He is on hunger strike in Kalangut.
We don't support this action of his. Now what action will be taken? No, that action what will be taken, the party will take. But we don't support and we don't like what he did. So now you are telling me that he is sitting a hunger strike. It is unwarranted because we have a chief minister who has already told that he will take the necessary action after ascertaining the truth. So he should have faith in the chief minister. So it's unwarranted.
Congress has charged that Michael Lobo's anti-dance bar drive was to save his PDA chairmanship.
There are 3 dance bars or spas in Kalangut which have been inaugurated by Michael Lobo. That is also being protected by Michael Lobo. The local people, they had to go there and fight it out because that day itself they caught so many girls. Now when you inaugurate this type of places, what is the hunger strike today for? I have come to know that he has been asked to resign as the North Goa chairman of the North Goa Planning and Development Authority because of complaints of irregularities in that. He is also on his way out of the party along with some other people who want to form a third front, fourth front, whatever fronts are coming up along with the tsunamis. So he is trying to play the victim now, saying that because I fought for the people, I am being thrown out or my PDA is to be taken away.
Michael Lobo staged a day-long hunger strike at Kalangut in protest against drugs and illegal trades in his constituency. He has slammed police for their inefficiency. FIR has been lodged against MLA Lobo for demolishing 3 structures.
लोकांनी मोडले FIR माझेर घालला. As a public representative, it is my job to go and stand over there and control the crowd. I was controlling my crowd. They went out of control because police was not taking action. 4 dance bars were demolished. They were illegally built, but they were demolished. तर ते FIR माझेर घातलेले. सो हांव कोणाकोणाशीन झगडों. हांव एकटो झगडटा. चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगला म्हाका आतां एश्युरन्स दिला की he will help me.
Non-Goans are spreading their tentacles through illegal trades. We won't allow it. Michael Lobo has warned them.
Outside गोवाचे लोक हिंगा येवन business legal करतात. They are welcome. Whoever is doing illegal business, non-Goans, will be shown their way back.
Inspector General of Goa Police Sunil Garg on Monday submitted a report to Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar on alleged dance bar demolition case. IG Sunil Garg told to Prudent that this is the basic report in which he has given the details of the chain of events. But Sunil Garg made it clear that it was not a conclusive report about the role of Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo in the demolition as the investigation is still going on. IG Sunil Garg neither admitted nor rejected the allegation made by Michael Lobo that illegal dance bar were operating in the demolished structures. He said that it will take some time to complete the investigation. With bureau inputs, Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.